Good stuff. Meantime, you may want to look at the numbers of these temperatures and use those for your Powerballs. They're going to be all over the place the next 24 hours. 48 right now in the city. We got close to 50 in a good portion of the area, if not a little better, especially in New Jersey. Mid to upper 40s Long Island, lower 40s in our northwestern suburbs right now. It's quiet this evening. Clouds are on the increase ahead of that rainmaker. The wind will start to increase steadily, especially once we get past midnight, and then the rain will break out with a couple of light showers, let's say between 10 and midnight from west to east. But the heaviest rain, that's going to arrive, we think, for the morning commute tomorrow. So we time it out on our futurecast. Through the evening hours, we're okay. Just the clouds on the increase. Then you get towards about 11:30 midnight. You see a couple of light showers perhaps out ahead of this main push of rain. That's going to arrive as we get towards 4 or 5 in the morning. And then between about, let's say, 6 and 10, 6 and 11, this is when the heaviest rain pushes across the area. All of these areas of orange and red, they're indicative of moderate to briefly heavy rain. We could see a ½ inch to an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter across a good portion of the area. This is noon. That's the back edge of the front right here that pushes on through. So by 1, 2 o'clock, most of it should shut down. Then notice the wind arrows. They kick to the west and northwest. Then the temperatures start to plummet. Now from the south, the wind's going to gust to 50 miles per hour or higher. That's going to pile up the ocean, the high tide cycle. So southern Queens, southern Nassau and Suffolk County, you've got a coastal flood warning between 6 a.m. and 1 tomorrow. You could see inundation of 1.5 to 2.5 feet above ground. The other areas in the lighter green, that's coastal flood advisory, inundation about 1 foot to 1.5 feet during your high tide cycle. So on top of everything else, possible local street and highway flooding, damaging wind gusts. Look at this in the morning, close to 50 miles an hour across Long Island, even the city. Gusts of 45 to 50. Then tomorrow evening, kicks to the west. Wind doesn't get that much lighter either, 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. It should calm down later Friday night and considerably drop those winds by Saturday. But we're going to get into the wind chill talk again. After 50s, maybe a record high of 58 tomorrow, the wind chills drop into the 20s. So 47 will do it before it starts to climb into the 50s tonight. 50s early tomorrow, then falling. Weekends dry. Coldest day Saturday, a little better Sunday. And Christmas Eve looks dry. Maybe a couple of sprinkles. Not a white Christmas, unfortunately. And look for temperatures in the lower 40s.
All right.